Hi guys, I wanted to go through the assessment solutions with you. This will be one of the conditions for reassessment is that you watch this video so you understand where you made your mistakes. I'm going to go through all the problems sequentially, but I'll put a timestamp link below in the document so you can jump to a question if you have a specific need for that question. So there are 9 total questions. And without further ado, let's jump into question number 1. So in question 1, we are looking for the secant, cosecant, and cotangent based on the given triangle. So we need to know their ratios. Secant being the inverse of cosine, would be the hypotenuse over the adjacent. Cosecant being the inverse of sine would be the hypotenuse over the opposite. And cotangent being the inverse of tangent would be the adjacent over the opposite. So if I'm starting at angle P, from angle P, my adjacent side is 5. My hypotenuse is 13. So the secant would be 13 over 5. For cosecant of P, the hypotenuse is 13, the opposite is 12, so I'll have 13 over 12. And for cotangent, the adjacent is 5, the opposite is 12. So adjacent over opposite means you'll have 5/12. Changing perspective from angle R now, the secant will be the hypotenuse over the adjacent. The adjacent is now 12. The cosecant is the hypotenuse over the opposite. The opposite is now 5. And tangent will be adjacent over opposite, so 12/5. And those are the fractions you should have for number 1.